Same thing, if you're against the edge, you fill it in against a card just like that, and then you activate it with water. So that's all. It goes in as a powder and it hardens up with water. So you don't want to flood it. You just give it a couple mist it just like that. You don't want to flood it. Come back in about 20 minutes and then you want to really saturate it. But the first time you hit it with water, just give it a light dusting. It'll crust up in about 15-20 minutes. Then you just give it a good saturation all the way through. Make sure that if the material ever starts to move, you've done too much, so stop. That's why you want to go slow. You don't want to be aggressive. Just give it some slow mist. You'll see it start to puddle up. When it starts to puddle, you're good, because that means it's completely saturated, okay? 6 hours later, you guys are locked in. It's hard as can be. You guys can drive on it, paint it, stain it, treat it like you would your normal concrete. This stuff is an incredible product. We have a ton of customers that are just stoked. We've sold over 18,300 bottles in the last couple weeks. Veteran owned, patented, we stand behind it. You either have your cracks full or your money back, one or the other. So that's what's up.